Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I have come up with another unboxing video, but this video is different from the last one because the last one was completely a tech kind of video about a camera. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video, guys. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of a skincare product which I have recently came across and the brand of the skincare products are the Derma Co. So basically the best thing about the Derma Co brand is you'll get customized skincare according to your skin type and skin concern. So there's a assessment test option for your skin where they'll ask you different questions like your skin type, skin concern, and if your skin is allergic to any medicines or any particular chemical. So my skin type is combination. I usually get oily in my T-zone, and due to which I get a lot of acne and pimples and acne marks and a pigmentation around my mouth area. So thought of trying this brand and see how it works for me. And another thing, the Derma Co brand provides you with the steps of products you have to use for your skin. Let's unbox this and see the products inside now. So guys, this is how it looks from inside. So there's a steps given 1, 2 and 3, 4 how you have to use the products in a stepwise process. So the first step is cleanse, second is treat, third is moisturize, and the fourth one is protect. Now see the products. So there's a bill. Okay, so this is the step 1 product, guys. This is a face wash. This is a AHA BHA foaming cleanser, and it contains glycolic acid and salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is really good for your skin. So the first product is a face wash. This is a AHA BHA foaming cleanser, which contains glycolic acid, mantelic acid and salicylic acid, which you can use day and in the night as well. And the next step of this process is the niacinamide serum. I think most of you know that niacinamide is really good for your acne marks and pigmentation, and this contains 10% of niacinamide serum, and it also contains vitamin B3 and zinc. Even this you can use in the daytime as well as in the night time. And the third step of this process is a moisturizer. This is a squalene plus zinc oil free moisturizer, which contains squalene, zinc, okay, and this is good for normal to oily skin. Even this you can use in the daytime as well as in the night time. And the fourth product in this process is a sunscreen, okay, and this sunscreen is good for sensitive skin. This is an organic sunscreen which contains 100% natural zinc oxide. And additionally I have ordered 2 products, which is a AHA BHA gel for my acne spots, and even this contains salicylic acid and niacinamide. And the next product is kojic acid cream, which is good for pigmentation. And yeah, these 2 products I got additionally. AHA BHA gel, which is good for your spots, and another one is the kojic acid cream, which is good for your pigmentation. And the best thing about these products are all products are dermatologically tested and paraben free. Now let's talk about the products one by one. So the first step is the face wash. Okay, let's open the face wash and see how it looks from inside and see the texture of the product. So it's a foaming face wash, guys, and this is a 100 ml product. And the second product is the niacinamide serum. I have heard a lot of people using this niacinamide serum from the same brand, the Derma Co. That is another reason I got this particular serum. It really helps to fade away your acne marks. Let's see the product from inside. Okay, So the product comes like this in a glass bottle. this in a glass bottle, and there's a dropper as well with this, which makes it easy to use. And the third step of this product is a oil-free moisturizer. The main purpose of using a moisturizer is to prevent your skin from dryness and keep it soft and supple and make it look more youthful. And the fourth step of this process is a sunscreen, guys. Let's see the moisturizer from inside, how it looks. Yeah, this is how it looks from the inside, the moisturizer. It's an oil-free moisturizer. Yeah. So the fourth product of this process is a sunscreen gel. So guys, sunscreen is very important for your skin. If you apply only the moisturizer and go out in the sun, that will damage your skin badly. So if you're at home also and doing nothing, like mostly in these days we are at home working from home, so if you apply a moisturizer, don't forget to apply a sunscreen after that, because that is also very essential for your skin, to protect your skin from skin damages. And one more thing, guys, don't go directly into the sun or outside of your home just after applying the sunscreen. Give it some time to settle down into your skin, and after that you can go outside. Let's see the sunscreen from inside. Okay. This is how the sunscreen look like. The price of the niacinamide serum is $5.99, and the price of the moisturizer is $349 rupees, and the sunscreen gel is priced at $6.99. Okay, now coming down to the AHA BHA gel. This is really good for your active acne. For the acne marks and spot and the scars, you can use the niacinamide serum, which I've shown you. And for the active acne, you can use this gel only on the spots where you have the active acne. Don't apply it all over your face. Okay, the price of this product is $4.99 and $4.99, and let's see the product from inside. Okay. Okay guys, the product looks like this from inside. It comes with this this thing, chotu sa tip, so that you can put it and use it very easily. And the last product of this video is the kojic acid cream, which is really good for pigmentation, and it contains vitamin C, glycolic acid, and the price of this product is $4.99, guys. So yeah, that's all about today's video, guys. I hope you all liked it. Thank you for watching, and if you want me to do such kind of videos more, you can comment down your suggestions below in the comment box, and I'll put all the links of the products and even the Dermaco's official website in the description box. And I hope you all liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We'll meet in the next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.